Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bukky, and this is Bukky's Kitchen. Today, I am going to be showing you how to make Nigerian Suya. As you can see, I have on the table all my main ingredients that I'll be using to make the Suya. I have beef torso. That part of beef tends to have a bit of fat, but that is quite good because once the Suya has been grilled in the oven, it tends to have very nice texture and quite moist. I also have for my other ingredients, I have smoked paprika, all-purpose seasoning, no aromat, and I also have the Suya Spice. I will be mixing all these spices together, and once done, I'll be using that on my beef. So once the Suya Spice has been made, that can be set aside for later use. As you can see, the beef torso has been nicely sliced by the butchers, and so the next thing I need to do is to cut them into square shapes. Once I have done that, I can now put them through the skewers and then dab the beef with the Suya Spice. I would also advise that you actually get yourself a pair of hand gloves at this point, just to protect your hands from the heat from the Suya Spice. Once you've put the beef through the skewers and dabbed with the Suya Spice, then you can then baste them with some vegetable oil and put straight into the oven to grill. So here we just add the Suya Spice to the beef torso and try and get as much Suya Spice in as possible. I would advise that you use a pair of hand gloves because the spice tends to be quite peppery, very spicy. And what you want to avoid is after you've actually done or made your suya, your fingers tend to burn if you haven't protected them. Maybe using a pair of hand gloves like I'm doing at the moment. Okay, try and get in as much as possible. That looks fine. That looks fine. So the suya on skewers is actually ready now to be put on the grill and ready to be popped into the oven. So I'm just going to do that now, put it on the grill, and then we can put them straight into the oven.